Well, here's an example of kind of our first test run with doing an inlay. You can see we kind of routed out a pocket in this maple. You can kind of see it, a round pocket. And then we routed out a disc out of some, I'm not sure what kind of wood this is, and fits pretty good. Not doing a very good job videoing here. Fits pretty good in there. About 32nd, maybe a 64th of play, but I think that will. I think we're well on our way to doing some pretty cool woodworking inlay here stuff with the router. And here's our CAMBAM program. You can see we have the drawing there, and then we bring that over into the Mach 3 software where we actually control the machine. More to follow.